Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 15th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 15. How to enter a clinical note. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the client you wish to enter a clinical note for. Once the file is open, click on the Add Service Contact button. Enter all details as you normally would when entering a service contact, ensuring all mandatory fields have been selected. Mandatory items are marked with an asterisk. It is recommended that the service contact is completed in its entirety prior to entering any clinical notes, as they cannot be saved unless all mandatory sections have been completed. Once all mandatory fields have been entered, click on the Clinical Note tab at the top of the service contact screen. Once the tab has been selected, you will see a free text box to enter your clinical notes. Please note the restricted and private checkboxes are to always remain unchecked. This functionality is not operational. Once you have entered all your notes, click the green Save button on the bottom right side of the screen. This will save and close the service contact. All clinical notes will automatically lock after you save the service contact. You can also view and amend any previously saved notes by clicking on the Edit button of the respective service contact, then clicking on the Clinical Notes tab, and finally clicking on the Mend button at the top right of the pop-up screen. Once again, after you have completed the note, scroll down and click the Save button. Please note that amending the clinical note will not override the original note. It will merely include additional information you enter. This will return you to the Clinical Notes tab, where you can select the green Save button to action and close the service contact screen. You can now exit the client file. For further information on clinical notes, please consult the PSS Guidance document.